Okay, guys, so I want to take this moment to briefly explain to you what Forex trading is about. Okay, all right. So, what is Forex? As the name goes, Forex is an abbreviation for foreign exchange. Okay, so what is the Forex market? What is Forex trading? Okay, so the Forex market, we have the centralized Forex market and you have the decentralized. The most popular one that you've been hearing is the decentralized Forex market. The centralized one is the one we do at the Forex Bureau, where you have to go to that particular place to make that exchange. Okay, on the Forex market, we do a similar thing, but it's a bit slightly different. Okay, so when we talk about Forex trading, you are simply buying and selling currencies of opposite countries against each other. Why do we do this? Okay, what we are doing is we are leveraging on the differences between the currency rates. You bear with me that currency rates are not constant, they fluctuate. And these fluctuations don't just happen randomly, they happen based on certain conditions happening in real time. All right, so now the goal of traders is simply to analyze these conditions to help them make informed decisions as to whether to buy or sell a currency pair. I've mentioned two key terms over here: conditions and currency pairs. All right. So let me come to the currency pairs. I'm mentioning currency pairs because it has to be a pair. Even with a not when the concept of trading comes in, you can't just trade one item. With our normal daily life, day-to-day interactions, we trade. Yeah. By hours, we go to buy something, and as we are buying something, we are trading our fiat money, that is the currency, for a commodity. Unlike that, on the Forex market, you are trading a currency for a currency. So when you come onto the Forex market, the securities or assets you see on the market is like Euro USD, GBP USD, XAU USD. They are in pairs. So now let's come to the conditions. All right. As I made a statement earlier that these fluctuations don't happen randomly, they happen based on certain conditions happening in real time. So you will be hearing me whether the trader should buy or sell, and you are like, this guy, so how do I know whether I am to buy or I'm to sell? That is a big question, and let's address that. Okay, so to make informed decisions on this market, there are three ways, basically two, but three. Okay, we have fundamental analysis, we have technical analysis, and we have the sentimental, right? And when it comes to the fundamentals, we all know that we are dealing with currencies. And mind you, currencies don't exist without their respective countries. All right. So when it comes to fundamental analysis, traders pay attention to the macroeconomic news releases that are happening in these various countries, and they base on that to make informed decisions as to whether to buy or sell that particular currency. Okay. Here on the Forex market, we have various platforms that keeps us updated on the upcoming news releases that traders based on also that to either buy or sell a particular currency pair. Okay, I'll dive much more into it in the next video. Right, and when it comes to technical analysis, that is when you've been seeing these charts. Okay, all right, so the most popular one, I presume you've all seen, is the candlestick chart. Okay, it's very popular. Initially, it wasn't even invented for forex trading. It was invented by a Japanese to trade rice, and is known as the best rice trader in history. Okay, so the forex market has adopted this way to actually analyze the market, and they base on these three major concepts: that the market discounts everything, price moves in trends, and history tends to repeat itself. Okay, so now the third one, sentimental analysis. Anyone who gets to comment the right definition for sentimental analysis gets to join my personal mentorship space, where you join me trade live. To engage. Now we know we have to trade currency pairs on this market, and we know before we either place a buy or sell order, we have to be aware of certain conditions that will influence our decisions. So now, how do we buy or sell? Where do we buy or sell? Okay, that is where this comes in. Xness, right? To be able to trade on the forex market, you need to be aware of the various market players on this market. Okay, so the market players on this market, the banks are the major players. We have the central banks, we have the commercial banks, we have corporations, we have investment funds, we have retail traders. We are the retail traders. Okay, so for us also to be able to trade on this market, we need a broker. A broker is someone or an institution that serves as an intermediary between we, the retail traders, and the actual forex market. With the brokers, why do we need them? All right, so using the concept of mobile banking, all right, most of us are familiar with mobile banking platforms. All right, so we deposit our money with the banks, and through mobile banking we are able to make certain requests and some others, like pay utility bills, pay school fees, make payment for this purchase. All right, just as them, the brokers also are the people we trust them with our funds, and they make purchases on our behalf. So when we place either a buy or sell order, literally we are asking the brokers to buy or sell a particular currency pair on our behalf. And there are various platforms moderating that. Okay, so XNEX has the trade section in the personal area where you can be using to place trades, and of course the almighty MetaTrader, you can also use it to place and monitor your trades. Okay, so move into the description and sign up with XNEX today. All right, because without a broker you cannot put anything we've learned today into practical use. Join me in the next video as I guide you through your journey on the forex market. Peace out.